Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Nissan Rogue. Stock number is A7326. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. This Rogue is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Nissan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and, of course, get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.